Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video I thought I'd show you how I do some of the background trees and the wall in this painting that's a little bit different to the work that I usually do, or the subjects that I usually pick. But just before we get started, all of the products used in this video are available in my shop, shopmichaeljamessmith.com. Link is in the description below, all the brushes, all the paints. So if you want to paint along, why don't you go and check those out. So this is also a full lesson on MJS TV. Link is also in the description below. Anyway, let's get going on the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try out a fan brush. Quite time consuming using the Series 6, so the fan brush might speed things up a little. One of the problems with the fan brush is it's very difficult to get any really tight, now you can get tight detail, but it's difficult to be very precise with your brush strokes because it is a larger brush. But all we're going to do is we're going to load up the tip of the brush and use that very much as we did with the Series 6 for this part. But once again, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. And that's actually giving us a good effect. One of the things it does do, however, is it's now giving us a bit more of a stipple, which is okay. I do prefer generally to keep the distance that bit smoother, but it's not too bad. Okay, so continuing now down into this corner here. So using the very corner of the brush, picking paint up on the corner, and then just very gently adding a small amount of, in fact it's not even, we're not even adding any pressure to it at all. We are literally just touching the surface. Now the area here, I would say, is much more of a flat colour. Of course it has details within it, but it's not so mottled or textured as the trees here. So I'm just going to go back to my Series 7 size 8, so pretty much just a flat colour. What I think I'm going to do in order to get the right level of texture in the wall here is I'm going to use the Series 3 Tree and Texture brush. Just want to add a little bit of, well, I want to darken it slightly, but also add the texture so that we can then just go on with the smaller details. And I think what we're going to do is just kind of brush, just very small little brush marks. And as you can see, it is darkening what we're doing. It is adding a certain level of the details as well, which is perfect, because really what we're looking to do is to get those details in there with the least amount of work that we can. We want it to look effective, but we don't really want to be painting every single brick individually. That would be a little bit too painful. hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss future videos. Also, we do prizes, so we do giveaways for brush sets and things like that. Also, one more thing, why don't you check out my Patreon? You can join that for as little as $2 a month, and there's loads and loads of content. There's live streams, we also do lots of prizes, and there's just loads and loads of footage and lessons on there. Also, it's a really good place to connect with me, so if you want to ask me questions or anything like that, then Patreon is the way to go. Link is in the description below. Good to see you all. Take care, happy painting. See you all soon.